29th July of every year is celebrated as the International Tiger Conservation Day. Let's see what all are the measures that we took in order to conserve our national animal and what was the outcome of it. Hello everyone, I am Teresa George. Welcome to the Environment Current Affairs section of Ekam IAS. Now, let's first move on to the details of the species tiger in the UPSC CSE perspective. That is tiger, the largest member of the cat family. That is, cat family is Felidae, and its scientific name is Panthera tigris. And the habitats of this species, Panthera tigris, is highly variable in the sense that it can be seen in the Siberian cold desert, which has minus 40 degrees Celsius of temperature, as well as in the Sundarbans in West Bengal, which has 40 degrees Celsius of temperature. It can also be seen in the grassland, mixed grassland, deciduous forest, etc. That is, its habitats are highly variable. Moving on to the conservation status of the species tiger, it is listed as endangered in the IUCN Red List, and it is protected in the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and it is also listed in the Appendix 1 of CITES, which prevents the international trade of these species. In order to protect and conserve our national animal, the Project Tiger was implemented in the 1973 as a centrally sponsored scheme under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. By this project, the center gave assistance to those states who has tiger in order to protect these species and their habitat. Based on the recommendation of Tiger Task Force, the National Tiger Conservation Authority was formed in the year 2005 under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The main function of this National Tiger Conservation Authority is to conserve the tiger species as well as its habitat and critical habitat of tigers, that is tiger reserves. In order to conserve and protect the species tiger, the National Tiger Conservation Authority has come out with an app, with a software app, that is M-Stripes, monitoring system for tigers' intensive protection and ecological status. The objective of this software app is to increase the patrolling and thereby to increase the surveillance of this endangered species, that is tiger. Going on to the tiger statistics, the National Tiger Conservation Authority conducts the tiger estimation in every 4 years. According to the latest survey, that is 2018 Tiger Census, there is almost 2,967 tigers in India, and thereby India becomes home to almost 80% of tigers in the world. In order to protect and conserve the tiger and its habitat in a more effective manner, we have tiger reserves in India. These are administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, and in India we have almost 53 tiger reserves. These are entirely dedicated to the conservation of tiger, which is a keystone species in its habitat, being the top predator or the top carnivore. It keeps the population of other low tropical level species in check, and thereby it helps to maintain the ecological balance. That is why it is known as the keystone species. Being a keystone species, it is very important to protect the tiger and its habitat. That is why we have implemented the tiger reserves in India. Recent estimation of tiger that is done in the Manas Tiger Reserve, it is found that there is 2.4 tigers for every tiger, which indicates that the population of tiger in that habitat will increase in the future. Since Manas Tiger Reserve is in news, let's see more details about that Manas Tiger Reserve from the UPSC CSE perspective. That is Manas National Park. It is situated in the state Assam. State Assam has other national park like Orang National Park, Nameri National Park, Kaziranga, which is famous for one-horned rhinoceros, and Dibrugarh-Saikhowa National Park. These are the other national park that is situated in the state Assam. And going on to the details of Manas National Park, it is situated on the foothills of Himalaya, that is in the valleys of Brahmaputra. Manas River flows through this national park. That is why it is called as the Manas National Park. The Manas National Park is home to many endemic species like pygmy hawk, hispid hyade, critically endangered Bengal florican, etc. And this is the image of the pygmy hawk. And this national park shares the boundary with Bhutan. That is, it shares the boundary with the forest of Bhutan. The Bekki River, which is a tributary of the river Brahmaputra, after flowing through the country Bhutan, it flows through the state Assam, that through the Manas National Park. That is, the river Manas and the river Bekki flows through the Manas National Park, and it helps to maintain the ecosystem of the Manas National Park. This is all about the tiger and its conservation and the Manas National Park. Now let's move on to a model question. With reference to the tigers in India, consider the following statement. First statement, they are listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. Second statement, in India, tiger estimation is conducted every 5 years. Third statement, M-Stripes is an app to monitor the tiger population. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A, 1 and 3, B, 2 only, C, 3 only, D, 1, 2 and 3. Try to answer this question and comment your answers in the comment box. The answer, the detailed explanation and the notes of this tiger conservation and Manas National Park will be provided in our Telegram channels. The Telegram channels are right there in the description box. Hope this section added some points to your UPSC CSE preparation. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.